AU and AW are classmates who sit next to each other. And when it's art time, they say, "Oh, let's draw something cute." And every time they finish, they look at their works and say, "Oh, so cute." Whenever you will see the special friends in words, remember that they always make this cute and happy sound. "Oh." Let's try to read these words together. Let's see if you can spot the special friends. "Oh." Here they are. P. "Oh." Po. S. "Oh." So. J. "Oh." Joe. P. "Oh." Pose. Pose. Very good. And how to read this longer word with this special friends. I'm going to teach you in the next video. You will find the link in the description.